say it. 1, 2, 3.
I want an Oreo!
No, say you're not allergic to chocolate anymore. Just say it regular. 1, 2, 3.
I'm not allergic to chocolate anymore.
Watch Jamie eat a chocolate Oreo for the first time. Oh my God, I'm nervous. I'm nervous, Jamie. I can't believe you're doing this. Oh my God, I'm nervous. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Doesn't that taste good? Go.
It feels so good.
Oh, I can cry.
Are you seriously want
So,
So good.
I'm making you chocolate chip cookies next time I see you.
let's see, James. I'm still recording you.
Can I have Oreos for school on Monday?
You want Oreos for the rest of your diet?
Yeah.